how about an evening summer stroll through the side garden? I got the flamingos and some other crazy lawn art at this great garage sale. Oh my. The woman just practically gave them to me. So that's the side garden. Along with this side. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. Did you know this flowers? I didn't know that flowered. I had no idea. And there's a bunch of them. So, and then this thing is really cool. Ken thought I was crazy. Yes, he did. He thought I was crazy. It's an automatic hose winder. We mounted him to the fence. And you just give it a pull. And goes whole. So, back garden. I want to show you guys with the sunflowers. So what I just did was I watered, and then I fertilized, and then I watered again. And I do that in the evening, so the fertilizer won't negatively affect the plants. Still doing good. Everything's growing. We have some amazing poppies. I'm so happy. Oh, yes. Where are they? Oh, there they are. That's Max in the background. Oh, and here's another one. And then we have these really cute ones. They just decided to arrive in the garden. I don't have the heart to pull them. So in the garden they stay. Anyways, that's what I wanted to show you. Night.